Hello, my name is Erika Castro. Below is the development of the activity. Living leisure activities in free time, like like good cycling. I am playing basketball. I am into good swimming. I am interested in good dancing. I am keen on studying English. I am crazy about travel abroad. Dislike I dislike like with I am no good at cooking. I am not much in total independent. I had good aerobic. I can stand good shopping. I don't really care for travel abroad. Eh, we love going to the movie, halls gone to the park. She likes to live, which I don't like it. We don't cook on Sunday and on Monday. We could begin activities in free time. My route. I like to go to the movie Sunday. I like to take a walk in the park. I am no good at like lifting with. I don't cook on Sunday. On Monday, I go to the gym. Routine of my wife. She has like going to the movie. She has like to go to the park. She does yes like to live with. She does not cook. On Monday we go to the gym. Event. A here plays in the roulette. She is eating her dog. He is running with his dog. People play with racket. Two people eat pot. Two children plays. Two children play on the swimming. Uh, recent events in my life. These days, these days, I had busy money, money school. This day, I had meet new people. My wife has a new job. My mom will visit me soon. My dear nephew will visit me soon. Me we had a new niece. My pet damaged the washing machine ate the refrigerator. My wife cooked her here. I am planning to buy my wife a present. I am planning to buy something for my mom. Thank, thank you. Good day.